Shemai! This is a ukulele tutorial for I'm Yours by Jazon Mraz, and it matches our ukulele play-along video that you can find on our Ukuleleans channel, and I'll pop a link in the description. Okay, so I'll go through the chords and the strumming pattern with you before we sing through the song. 5 nice easy chords. The first chord is a C. The next chord is an F, followed by a G chord, then an A minor, and the final chord is a D7. Now we use a simplified version of the D7, especially in school, because it's great for beginners. If you're not sure how to play any of those chords, check the chord chart, because it'll tell you which strings to play and which frets, and the numbers are in fact your fingers. Okay, so the strum pattern, it's an island strum, down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, if you can put a little bit of a swing on it, you can use your thumb or your first finger. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. Now if you're feeling adventurous, we put a chuck or a chunk on the second down, and it sounds like this. It's just got that nice percussive feel, and I will do a tutorial on this at some point. But if you're not sure about that, don't worry, just go back to playing the normal island strum. And it stays like this pretty much all the song. So let's play through the song. It's a C chord to start, down, down, up, down, up, and you play that twice on every chord. Here we go, get ready. Twice, 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 you get the pattern. Well, you done me, you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn. Dance and sing, we're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, love. Okay, one strum, 2, 3, 4. So I can't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Okay, so can we see the patterns in it? Get ready to stop. Dooba 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 doo. I'm not even going to try and sing this bit. Just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is... Okay, one strum. I won't hesitate no more, no more. Please don't, there's no need to complicate, cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Okay, so I hope that has helped. Don't forget there's a matching play-along video on our Ukuleleans channel, and please subscribe to Ukulele Wales. Thanks for watching.